On the previous episode, y'all seen us get our 328i touring. Right now, we're gonna clean it, and then after that, we're gonna get into it, start tearing the motherfucker apart, and start throwing parts at it. Let's get it.
What we doing today, though?
Both. Let's see what we can get done today. Whatever we can get today, we get tomorrow. Yeah. Why you didn't clean it?
Well, you see, what happened was, I tried.
Makes sense. Oh, you the bumper too, bro? Come on now. You were supposed to be cleaning it. You were supposed to be cleaning the bumper.
Hold up. For your information, you told me to do, You ain't say go,
But this is.
You ain't say go, You just said go,
Look, bro. You didn't clean it or rot it away.
Actually, it was like that when we got it.
Oh, yeah, it was. What about the fender? What's the excuse for the fender?
That was like that when we got it, too.
Oh.
Unless some fat big boy did this right here. That could have happened.
What about the suspension, though?
That was supposed to begin with, so.
But we got all these parts, right? We got all these?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Day 2 working on the 528i. We gotta vacuum the seals now, because we were only able to wash it before it got dark. So we're gonna hop into it. Let's get it.
Half of your ancestors did that a little bit better.
Huh?
So half of your ancestors did that a little bit better back in the day. You should go in touch with your roots.
Roots.
I almost got it. You gotta get the right rhythm. There you go. What's goody? This is part 3.
Part 3. Well,
Part-
day 3.
Day 3
Yeah.
of cleaning the BMW. We're gonna go around the bay right quick. Tell you what we got, what we're working with.
Yep. So we got a lot of parts for various cars. Cars we either have, or parts we're selling. Some are for like upgrades. Now you seen the first video, you know what some of these parts are for. Yeah, sounds small, but hey, get it pumping until we can get another one.
They about to sell some of it?
Oh yeah, we sell some parts on our eBay store.
That AC was not for sale.
AC not for sale. We need that guy or we die. But right now we're gonna jump into cleaning the seals out. Seals as in, you know, engine bay, the little seals where dirt builds up. Don't like that shit. And then we're gonna jump in the interior real quick. Just grab the trash, vacuum a little, not too crazy. And then that's the end. Shit. Come on. We're gonna start on the back though.
It's like I'm watching TV. Tune in next time to drive the car.
I don't know we ever gonna drive this car anytime soon.
Actually, in actuality, that is the plan. Hater. What? Sometimes I think you're a hater.
I think my hate is valid.
Why is it valid?
Because my point still stands. This bitch has not been on the road yet. Well, you need to do it fast. Army standard. 10 minutes prior.
2 minutes prior?
10 minutes prior.
That's prior of? On this episode, y'all seen us clean the outside, the inside, and the seals and all that stuff of our 528i touring. Next up, we are gonna attack the fender, bumper, and the front suspension. Basically, everything that happened when there was an accident, which evidently brought it to us. And then we're gonna keep on pushing out episodes on it. That's it. On the previous episode, y'all seen us get our 320 AI.
Fuck that.
Alright, so I wasn't recording. Let's restart.
What?
I said I wasn't recording. Let's restart.
Tripping. What am I gonna do? Throw third on him? I'm good.
Yes. Like,
Yes,
throw
you have to
the-
start over. 100% start over.